Fishing. It can piss a man off when he's not a winner. It can make his spouse leave him and take the kids and house. Well, not anymore. Now introducing Allure for men in our normal bottle and our new travel bottle to help you smell like the winning combination of the great outdoors and your spouse actually loving you. Find one at your local Proficient Puffer Fish store today. Fishing. It's one of man's many struggles. Well, not anymore with Allure for Men in our regular and travel size bottle, sold at your local Proficient Pufferfish store.